Hello traders, in today's video we'll be looking at, is it better to trade with a bot or manually, okay? I know this is a question that a lot of traders have asked themselves, and most of you have come to me asking me, should I trade manually or with a bot, okay? Now I'll be revealing which one, and so let us begin. And as we begin, guys, please ensure you subscribe so that you don't miss out whenever we upload amazing videos. Alright, let us start. Now, first of all, I'll start with advantages and disadvantages of each, and then I'll reveal the one that you should trade. First of all, I'll be very quick, I'm not wasting any other time. The pros. One advantage of using a bot is it executes trades 24/7 without emotions. Now, a bot can run for 24/7 without stopping, okay? Without emotions, without anything, okay? But you have to be careful not to overtrade, all right? For those who have been watching these videos, you know, we are very keen on not overtrading and always be there when the bot is trading, okay? Now, bots follow exact set rules exactly, okay? So bots do not have any hesitation, they do not have any fear, and they do not have any greed. Okay, so once you set a stop loss and a target profit for your bot, okay, the bot will follow those instructions. All right, and like when you trade manually and you decide to set a stop loss in your mind, you might end up breaking it, okay, because emotions will be involved. Okay, the other thing is bots are great for testing strategies, systematically. You can be able to test your strategies in a very good way and understand how they work and see if they're effective. Okay. And the other advantage is it saves time if you can't monitor the market. Okay, so basically, bots allow you to monitor the market as you're trading. All right, so you can be trading, so your bot can be running as you're monitoring the market. Okay, so that is another advantage. All right. Now, what is the disadvantages of using a bot? Because most people only speak of the advantages, but what are the disadvantages? Now, bots are only as good as the strategy you build in. If the logic is bad, the bot will lose fast. Okay? So, okay, the success you have with a bot depends on the quality of the bot, okay? It depends on the strategy the bot has been built to follow, and it also depends on the strategy you are using. Because as you all know, for you to use a bot, you need to analyze the market first, and then you set up the bot and run it. But if first of all your strategy is messed up and then the bot itself, okay, is of poor quality, of course will not become profitable. In fact, you'll have very many losses, okay? So ensure you have a good bot. And that is why I say if you need amazing bots, I'll give you more than 100 bots. WhatsApp me right now. My number is in the description. Okay, the other disadvantage of using a bot is it can blow your account quickly if risk management is poor. If you have set risk management in a poor manner, but the bots can blow your account in seconds. Your account can be $10, but in 2 seconds it can be $0. All right. First of all, if you have used the wrong risk management strategy. Now, what does this mean? If let's say you have used a very high stake. If I come here using a stake of $2 and my account is 10, all right, and then the bot just tries to recover my loss 3 times, my account is gone. Okay. Again, use a good martingale. Use a good martingale. Okay. Use a good stop loss and target profit. And be careful on how you use them, and use a stake that will not end up blowing your account. If you have a small account, be careful with the stake you use, because the stake you use is what will determine if you will become profitable or not. Now, most people, whenever they trade with small accounts, they want to grow them as quickly as possible. So what they end up doing is that they end up using very high stakes on small accounts. So what does that lead to? That obviously will lead to you blowing your accounts like no one's business, okay? So you have to be very careful with your risk management strategy. Okay, now the other disadvantage of using a bot is it needs regular monitoring and tweaking. Now this is what I'm saying. Now anytime your bot is running, you should be analyzing the market. Okay, so as the bot is running, you should be analyzing. Anytime you notice a change in the market, you pause your bot, readjust it, you tweak it, and then you run it again. But you have to be there. Never run your bot and then leave. Be there during the whole process. Okay? I hope this will reach everyone. Be there during the whole process of your bot running. Now, as you can see on my screen, I've split my screen. This is what you can be doing. You can have one part of the screen whereby you're analyzing the market, and the other part where you can be running your bot, so that you can be having a view of both. Okay? Easily. So in case, let's say I'm running and I notice a change in here, I'll just run here, pause my bot, readjust, and then run again as I am analyzing the market. Okay? Yeah, so that is why I usually say have 2 phones, or if you're using a laptop or a computer, use split screen, as you can see on my screen, so that you can be able to observe both markets at the same time. Okay, so that you can be able to get a feel of both, so that you don't end up blowing your account. Okay, the other disadvantage of using a bot is over-reliance can stop you from learning real trading skills. Okay, some people rely on bots 100%. Okay, they only use bots, they rely on bots, and they have trusted bots. And okay, now and another thing about Deriv is this: you might not have a good strategy, but if you have a good bot, somehow you might end up becoming profitable. Now, if you keep on doing this, you'll not end up learning any good strategy in the process. Okay? Yeah, and that is a very bad thing. For you, but then before you use a bot, ensure you have mastered a few strategies first before you come to using a bot. You should use a bot after you have mastered your strategies and now you're now coming to implement them. Because I'm telling you guys, if you combine a good strategy with a good bot, you'll become unprofitable like nothing you'll ever believe. Okay? So please invest in a good bot and learn good strategies. Don't run for free bots. Free bots will cost you. I told some of my people who are listening to my live stream, you might go for a free bot, but believe me, you will pay for that bot with the losses you'll incur when you are using it. Okay? So that is why I'm saying invest in a good bot. And as I've said, if you need bots, WhatsApp me. I have more than 100 trading bots, which I give to all the traders very, very, very affordably. So if you need it, my WhatsApp number is in the description. Now, let us go to trading manually right now. Okay? The advantages of trading manually. First of all, you can adapt to news, patterns, and unexpected changes. So if you're trading manually and an unexpected change occurs, you can just react quickly. So you just stop, or you just trade the market that is favorable. When you're using a bot, before you stop the bot might have done a lot of mistakes if the market changes rapidly. Okay? But with the market, you can really adapt quickly. The other advantage of using a bot is this. It builds your skill, patience, and discipline as a trader. Whenever you trade manually, you will end up building up a lot of discipline. Okay? Yeah, because manual trading, as I've said, it involves a lot of emotions. Okay? But if you let these emotions control you, especially when you're trading manually, you'll end up incurring a lot of loss. Now, what ends up happening is that most traders end up learning this, and they end up implementing a lot of discipline and patience. Okay, and this is what ends up making them profitable, because you can be profitable with a bot and you can also be profitable with manual trading. All you have to know is the factors that you can implement to become profitable in both. Okay, now the other advantage of using of trading manually, is it is easier to adjust your risk. Okay, yeah, you can always adjust your risk very, very easily. Okay, for you to change the stake, it is quite easy. It does not involve a lot of things. You can just change quickly, and you can be able to control the market yourself. If you decide I'm stopping at $20 and you reach $20, you can stop it immediately. Okay, yeah, so it is easier you can be able to adjust your risk easily. And the last advantage of trading manually is you have more control over your account. Okay, you are the one in control. Whenever you're using your bot, the bot becomes in control of your account for a couple of minutes, the time you are running it. Okay? And I've had these instances whereby people are using bots, okay? And then the bot ends up malfunctioning and it blows the entire account. As you can see, the account was blown because the bot was in control. But when you're trading manually, you are fully in control during the whole process. Okay? So you have more control over your account. Now, let us go to the disadvantages of trading manually. Okay, trading manually requires time, focus. If you lack focus, discipline, patience, and a good time to trade, you will end up becoming unprofitable in very many ways. Okay, the second thing, when disadvantage of trading manually is this: emotions. All right, fear, greed, and revenge trading are responsible for most accounts being blown up, especially for manual traders. All right, so please don't let fear, greed, and revenge trading hug you, all right, or capture you, because they capture a lot of traders. I've been captured, most traders have been captured. So please don't let fear, greed, and revenge trading enter into your heart, especially when you are trading manually. Okay, and the last disadvantage is this: you might miss trades if you're not always watching. Okay, in manual trading, trades can pass you if you're not watching it clearly. So you have to, let's say you're trading over 3 and you are monitoring the conditions for over 3. If you just lose focus for a second, you might lose a good opportunity to trade. All right, and you need to do a lot of timing again. it might become tiresome. Anytime you're trading manually, it becomes really tiresome because you stay there waiting for that perfect moment. Okay? And when it comes to manual trading, it is very what can I say? Yeah, fatiguous. I don't know if that's a word. Okay, whereby let's say you're trading over one, you need to do a lot of runs to get a good profit in over one. So if you end up trading manually, you will do a lot of runs, and in the process, most people get tired, most people get fatigued, and they end up making the wrong decisions, and thus they end up making a loss. Okay, so you have to be very careful when you're trading manually. All right, as I've said, emotions are usually very, very high when you're trading manually, because the power of blowing or growing your account is in your hands. When you're using your bot, you are like, okay, the bot is good. I'm hoping that this bot will make me encounter a good profit. But when you're trading manually, it is you against the market. There is no intermediary. Okay? Now, which is better after all this? Which is better? Now, listen carefully. If you are new to Deriv, manual trading is better. Okay? If you are new to Deriv, manual trading is better to learn market behavior and risk management. Okay, first of all, you should start, if you're just new Deriv, please start out with manual trading. But if you have a tested strategy and you want consistency without emotions, a bot can be powerful. Okay, if you are new to Deriv, I repeat, trade manually. If you have a tested strategy and you've practiced it in demo and you've mastered it, now go with a bot. All right, but again, many successful traders use a hybrid. You can become a hybrid trader, whereby you can be trading manually for decision making, but you let the bot handle repetitive execution. So you can be a hybrid trader in terms of you can be trading manually this time, the other time you're trading with a bot. Okay, it depends on what you're trading and how you're feeling that particular day, because it's not every day you'll want to trade with a bot. Sometimes you'll just want to trade manually. Okay, because why not? Okay, you are free. Nobody has told you to only trade with a bot. Okay, yeah, so you can try the hybrid approach of trading manually and with a bot as per the circumstances you find yourself in. Okay, so please trade manually first to build your skill, and then bot later for efficiency, but only with a proven strategy. All right, yeah, I hope guys will take this you'll take this keenly, so that at least you will become profitable in the long run. If you have any question whatsoever, please put it down in the comment section and I will answer you. Okay, and please WhatsApp if you're interested in the bots, materials. I have everything. Okay, don't go looking for expensive bots and materials and free bots. Please stay away from free bots. Stay away. If you don't, you'll come and tell me. I wish I listened to you. Believe me, I've been there. Okay, but apart from that, guys, I appreciate you watching until the end. Keep trading, keep pushing. Please ensure you subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and like and share to anyone who you know is trading in Deriv, so that they don't miss out whenever you upload these amazing videos. But apart from that, guys, thank you very much for watching this video, and let us meet in the next one.